Let's dive into today's juiciest news from the folks over at Apple, which had everyone talking. First up, Apple has wowed Wall Street yet again with their Q1 earnings report. They've just announced a revenue of $124.3 billion, beating analyst estimates by just a whisker. Not only did they nail the revenue figures, but they also managed to impress with earnings per share of $2.40, coming out ahead of the predicted $2.36. This marks the 8th consecutive quarter that Apple has beat analyst estimates on both revenue and earnings, making us wonder if they have some secret ingredient they're not telling anyone about, besides rock-solid hardware and software, of course. Even though iPhone sales saw a slight dip, Apple's active installed base of devices hit an all-time high across various products and locations. This could mean that more and more people are diving into Apple's ecosystem of gadgets. Think of it as trying one piece of sushi only to end up devouring the whole platter. Tim Cook, Apple's head honcho, joyously declared it their best quarter ever, attributing their success to the magic of Apple Silicon and Apple Intelligence, which continues to enhance user experience. Oh, and a cash dividend of 25 cents per share was announced. So it's not just the products that are rewarding, the stocks have a little something extra for you too. Now in Apple's other headline, we have a little industry smackdown. Apple was pitted against its competitors in the technology, hardware, storage, and peripherals industry for a spirited analysis. You know you're top of the heap when your performance in market metrics like price to earnings and return on equity is being matched against the best of the best. Despite some cheeky notes about overvaluation through their price to book and price to sales ratios, Apple came out looking pretty posh. The firm boasted a robust EBITDA of $32.5 billion with higher than industry average profitability. Their debt to equity ratio positioned them solidly, striking a healthy balance between adventure and prudence. All these numbers may make your head spin faster than an Apple Watch does hula hoops, but one thing is clear. Apple's here to play, and they're playing to win. Even with slower revenue growth compared to some peers, their efficient resource utilization and earnings are smoother than a new iOS rollout. They've built themselves a financial fortress, yet there's still space to grow. Now it's your turn. What do you think about Apple's performance this quarter? Do you think Facebook and Google should be watching their backs? Or do you have some Apple stock in your portfolio sending you sweet, sweet dividends? Share your thoughts, predictions, or wild speculations down in the comments. Let's keep this tech talk flowing like an open app on a freshly charged iPhone. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.